Hunter Biden, just 3 when his dad started serving in the Senate, grew up touching the world of politics, and as an adult in the early 2000s, started building his resume in the lucrative fields of political consulting, lobbying, and investing. He stepped away from lobbying in 2008 when his father joined Barack Obama on the presidential ticket, according to that campaign. But as the years went on, millions of dollars started rolling in to Hunter Biden and his company. In 2014, Biden joined the board of Ukrainian energy giant Burisma, and the next year started a business relationship with the head of a big Chinese-owned conglomerate. Allegations would later surface from a former business partner that Biden tried to sell the illusion of access to his father.
Let me state as clearly as I can. My father was not financially involved in my business, not as a practicing lawyer, not as a board member of Burisma, not in my partnership with a Chinese private businessman, not in my investments at home nor abroad.
2015's also the year Beau Biden died.
And I know that his hand will never leave mine.
Which Hunter Biden says sent him into a relapse of his severe drug addiction. By his own account, burning through money on booze, drugs, ritzy hotels, and allegedly sex workers and luxury cars, federal prosecutors would later say, accusing Biden in an indictment of spending on everything but his taxes.
I went one time for 13 days without sleeping and smoking crack and drinking vodka exclusively throughout that entire time.
In 2018, 2 years after his father left office, the feds opened an investigation into Hunter Biden's taxes and his Chinese business dealings. That same year, Biden bought a gun from a shop in Delaware and on the paperwork allegedly signed to affirm he was not using drugs. Fast forward to 2023 with Joe Biden in the White House now as president. And it's that gun purchase at the center of a felony charge brought against Hunter Biden, with prosecutors accusing him of lying when he pledged he was clean. Biden pled not guilty. He also faced 2 misdemeanors for not paying enough in taxes in 2017 and in 2018, a year in which Hunter Biden describes day bleeding into night and night into day as he smoked crack cocaine again and again. In late July, it looked like the legal saga would come to a fairly quiet end with a plea deal until that deal suddenly fell apart.
Tonight, the dramatic turn in the criminal case against Hunter Biden as his plea deal is derailed.
A month later, the attorney general appointed a special counsel who brought a set of new charges against Hunter Biden in September, alleging he was using drugs when he bought that gun. Another indictment in December included multiple felonies for failing to pay up to the IRS. That's the case being arraigned tomorrow in L.A. 2 IRS workers with direct knowledge of the Hunter Biden investigation accused the Justice Department of intentionally slow-walking that inquiry, which the DOJ denies. Hunter's lawyer calling the indictments political, saying if Hunter's last name was anything other than Biden, the charges in Delaware and now California would not have been brought.
Thanks for watching. Stay updated about breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or follow us on social media.